Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to show you Boston Whaler's 2019 270 Vantage. It's beautiful boat. It's perfect for especially around our waters here. It's got the light blue hull, very sharp color on the water, and it's powered by the Mercury Valve twin 250 horsepower. Plenty of horsepower for this to get it right up on plane. Good top end, joystick operating. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 27 Vantage. Let's start at the back. It's got a really comfortable seat in the back. It's three adults, very comfortable, nice high back, long support for your legs. If you just decide you want to fish, all you got to do, lift it up. It folds away and becomes a very comfortable leaning post. Rod holders here. And then directly over here, we've got, if you are fishing, we've got your live well right here. So you got your bait, also doubles nicely as a cooler. And speaking of a cooler, we've got the angle cooler over here. It's got a tray that'll actually, you lift it up and the whole thing will slide right out. So it comes all the way out, access it, tucks it back in completely out of the way. Now this seat here does a multitude of things. You can sit facing backwards. You can lounge facing backwards. And you can completely lounge facing backwards this way. So it does a little bit of everything. More storage right in here. Great for jackets and that type of thing. Now the head is a real large, spacious vacuum flush head with a handheld with a faucet with a handheld shower. You can rinse yourself off in there. Little skylight for extra light. Phenomenal head we have there. Over here we've got the GPS is in here. You can put different ones. One's being about to be installed right now is why it looks like this. I believe it's a Simrad going in there. And then you've got the joystick. There's three things. You can dock anywhere, anytime with this, sideways, any direction, complete control. Sky hook to keep you in one spot if you want to look at the sunset or wait for a slip or a bridge or whatever it may be. And then you've got auto heading, which is like an autopilot. You don't even have to drive, you point and shoot. Fantastic. As we move forward, we have a storage in here. You've got this place for trash. You got your batteries conveniently located there as well. Two big lounge seats. And then you've got the windlass in here. It's recessed in here, so it's out of the way. You don't have a trip hazard. We can add a beach boarding ladder if you're going to key wading. Spray your feet off right here. Big hard top. Phenomenal boat for us. If you got any questions on it, would like to see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.